Okay, folks, welcome back to another Juniper Mountain Pro Tip. Today we are talking plotting lines by bearings. This is useful for all you surveyors out there plotting deed descriptions. We'll come to the line on the ribbon, come down to the line by bearing, pick a start point. This works by quadrants, so we'll go by our text on our left. Our first call is 90 degrees northeast. Our quadrant for northeast would be 1. Enter 1. Bearing will be 90.00. Enter 250 for the distance, and there's our first line. Our second call is southeast, so our quadrant will be 2. Enter our call is 0.00 for degrees, minutes, and seconds. Distance 250. There's our second line. Our third call is northwest, 90 degrees, so our quadrant will be 4. Bearing will be 90.00. Distance 250. Our last call is northeast again. Northeast quadrant is number 1. And our bearing will be 0.00. Distance 250. There we go. We have plotted our calls and we've got a closed figure.